So this is my Kama3 5R10, but we have little parts to make the wheels even higher. So this one has the opening doors, and a new invention, like the big truck, is the tilting cab. When you see the engine is in place. And also the newest invention I make, which is the steering to make the truck turn, and also the second axle, which shuttle to the curb like for all. But somehow the wheels grip in the stair. We should make it a little. There. That's one of my trucks I need for my tilting cabs. What do you want? That's the review of the Kama3 5R10. Now for some trailers.